spooky day, man. Look at the weather. White water is deadly. Not like the black water. Yeah, it's really cute lake, or cute tiny island. Yeah, man, all these rocks looks like they're concrete laid out for this place. Like, you know, it's so beautiful. And since Friday till yesterday, there was full people on the roads, like, I mean, bicycling, mostly bicycling. Some of them were also hiking. And now I walked like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 kilometers, and literally not a single person. Yeah, it's kind of scary feeling until you notice that today is a Monday and everyone is at work. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah, so finally I reached like first turn. Hakadal is like a city where I'm going, town when I'm going first. I mean, which you're gonna reach first. Afterwards, like maybe 2 more kilometers. But I mean, it's close. I'm gonna turn left now, straight, right, and then I'm gonna reach the town. And from there, I'm gonna receive all the phone calls and SMS from everyone, because I was out of cell coverage for, I don't know, almost 24 hours. Now that's some view. I will go literally there. Holy moly guacamole, look at this view. Beautiful. Moo! Look at that, Opels. Cute houses. First calm river south in Oslo. Let's keep on walking, 8 more kilometers today. Yeah, so I'm on my way. Gonna cross the shop. I'm gonna buy some coffee. Once it's gonna be behind the hill, it's gonna be half of the road and yeah. Hey guys, so finally leaving the town, entering the forest. And in this forest they don't allow any cars, motorcycles or horses. Probably only the people who look after the forest are allowed with the vehicles, suppose, because I can see the tracks. Gonna walk 3 more. Oh my god, it's really gonna be steep hills from literally now. Already knackered. No cars allowed. Yeah guys, so I managed to climb to the level where clouds are. I'm in the clouds, motherfuckers. Holy fuck, I'm tired. Still in the clouds. Keep on climbing, man. Cloud Arrow walks further to inspect the forest. Yeah. Trust me, it does feel spooky. Man, these cliffs look magnificent. Jesus. Walking in Sky Village. Very nice houses, dark rock hills, cliffs, sorry, and the houses the same color as well. It's cool. That looks like a place where they take the trees, basically cut them off and log them. I know, I'm not really keen to sit in this thing. Yep. So I left the trail to make a shortcut over the creek. I'm gonna follow this stupid path. Should be around 100 meters join the other road, which anyways I would need to go to tomorrow. So let's see if we're gonna reach. There is a swamp and kind of a lake. Okay, well, this is shit. Well, would you look at that? I might be able to cross there. Probably definitely would if I would take off my shoes. Maybe there is some bridge higher. Because there is some sort of pathway going there as well. Okay, so there was a goddamn bridge. It's fucked. Fuck me. Alright then. Is this deep? And it's not deep. It doesn't look deep. Maybe I'll cross from there over there and then over there. I'm too lazy to... What the fuck? Okay. Yeah, so it's not that deep. Okay, fuck it. I'll try there. Probably would be smarter. Let's go. Yigaga, motherfuckers. Okay, back on the hill. Fuck. Okay. Gonna continue walking. As I walked, there's another road. Tree classed. Cresty. I don't fucking sure if just crossed from over there. On this bog, I'm fucking wet. Oh my god, I just almost fell. And that's basically water underneath. This is grass, floating grass on the water. Fuck. Oh my fucking god. Okay. Fuck this fucking bog. No work, no thank you. I have like 10 minutes of light. My fucking god. The place where I was thinking fuck, to get my tent deployed, there was a house. Fuck me. So now found a way. Go somewhere here. Where this thing leads. Be careful. Oh, there's rock on the left. So all this pain for this magnificent view. Okay, I'm in, bro. Fuck, I don't give a fuck. Okay, definitely not gonna sleep on the rocks. Which, if I would have like the mattress, that would be completely okay, but I don't. Fuck. Yeah. Finally finished the tent. Just in time. Since then, nothing. Either I laid out. Fuck me. Okay, going to bed. Straight. Fuck this shit. I'm tired. So, as I'm finishing my evening, I'm having dinner. And I bought these. I'm not sure what it is, but I was thinking it's like a cheese spread, and from the taste it seems like it's cheese spread, but what is inside with something like, I'm not really sure, but what. So it is something like nutty, I'm not really sure. Yeah, but it is good. I was thinking it's gonna be like regular cheese spread, so I can just put sausages, but no. It's just good the way it is, probably. So Of course, one good thing, I had black tea, so it goes really well with that. Yeah, of course. Good morning, everybody. Just woke up, had my tea, black tea with milk. Instantly diarrhea. Had to run outside. Afterwards, wash my face with ice cold water, which is actually really nice and waking you up. Wash my teeth. Now packing all stuff in my backpack, and I'm gonna leave. At least today I woke up a little bit earlier, which is, it was 22:07. Now it's roughly 7. Yeah, 20 minutes I did almost nothing because I tried to wake up. But at least I slept really well. This was one of the best spots. So if you're looking where to sleep, look for something where my boots are, around that area. It's bushy, mossy. It's really excellent. And then you only need this thing, and that's enough, at least for late September. If you look by the fire pit, and there's a rocky place and there's just a little bit of grass and stuff on it, that's the worst place. So on a house, I was planning to camp on those rocks near the house because on the maps there was no house, because probably it's new. Yeah, but that's Rock Island. Man, I need to come here like in summer when it's like warmest month, so I can go for a swim in every lake I come. I mean, still possible, but definitely not alone, because you can get cramps and just fucking drown. It's so easy. And there's not even a phone reception. No one gonna save you, especially on the weekdays. Man, it's nice. You can see that over there, that corner is also perfect. Yeah, and just beside the rocks I found old-fashioned fishing rod. All packed, all done. Fucking hell, the tent part is so difficult to shove it in. Stupid system, those things, I don't know. Let's just see what's further down there. Oh wow. Okay. That sure looks really big. Probably wolf. And it was running. Okay. Well, that's not fun. That's not fun at all. Let's just hope someone was walking his extremely huge dog. And some more foot of it. Yeah, this kind of walk would better suit someone with the gummy boots. Forest engineer or something. Okay, we're getting higher, that's a good sign. Oh yeah, it's fucking deer. So and look behind it. Now it's also deer, but in there definitely was like a wolf. Wow. So there was a chase. That's wow. Wow, viva! Just shouting so animals would know I'm here, so they wouldn't get wouldn't be spooked by me. And I wouldn't like that, because their hoof is like really big, like horse size big. So I don't know. That animal probably would just waste me in an instant, which wouldn't be pleasant at all. As you can see, I approached the area where the great battle of trees against the human machines were fought. and poor trees. All destroyed. For what? For nothing. Yes, I just arrived. Apparently this is like a fishing lake. Need to mark this map for future if I'm gonna be here. For basically fishing trouts and stuff in here. You see they're leaving their boats to do it. Nice place. Beautiful creek in the middle of the forest. How amazing is that, eh? What a big puddle. Deep. Jesus. Yes, I came from there over this rock. I believe it's gonna be really perfect place to have a lunch and take a shower. Yeah. And let the breakfast commence. Yeah. Yeah, so finally I arrived to the spot where at least I can find some place where to wash myself. Yeah, so finally found the spot where I'm gonna do my bathing. Doesn't look like really great, but it's literally the best spot. I kept walking for like half an hour around these places. Yeah, so just showered myself. To be honest, wasn't too cold, but it's pathway. Too bad. I mean, too good that no one is walking. Okay, I'm gonna clothe myself. Okay, I'm washed up, all clothed up. I'm going back to basically entry to the park where I could find a place to stay. Yeah, sorry I wasn't filming. But anyways, I left my sleeping place, the park, thank you very much. And someone who kept me awake all night, fuck you. But I love this place in general. Now on my own way to an airplane, man. Yeah, so just imagine what locals thinking in the cars riding. Some guy, full on camping gear, leaving the forest, 4 in the morning, off season, weekday. What the fuck? And I'm like, la 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 la, going to the airplane, looking like a bum. I don't give a shit.